Hello everyone, welcome to Salesforce Network, Salesforce Administrator Tutorial. Topic what we are going to cover in this session, that is Sales Cloud. Sales Cloud. Salesforce Sales Cloud is a powerful CRM platform designed to manage the sales process from lead generation to closing deals. It is a platform designed to support and streamline sales processes in both business to business and business to customer context. It focuses on lead and opportunity management, helping organizations grow their revenue. Sales Cloud is one of the core offerings of Salesforce designed to support sales processes and help businesses manage their customer relationship more effectively. It provides tools and features that enable sales teams to increase productivity, manage sales cycle, and track their customer interactions. Step by step process of Sales Cloud. Step 1, Lead Management. Lead Capture. Leads are captured from various sources like web forms, email, campaigns, social media, and more. For example, a potential customer fills out a form on the website to request more information about the product. Lead creation. Salesforce creates a new lead record with the captured information. Example, lead record, lead name, Alan Flynn, company ABC Corp, email salesforce.network@gmail.com, phone, random phone number, lead source, web. Lead assignment. Lead assignment rules route the lead to the appropriate sales representative based on criteria like geography, industry, or product interest. The assigned sales representative receives a notification in their Salesforce dashboard. Lead qualification. The sales representative contacts the lead to gather more information and access their interest. The lead status is updated to qualified if they are a potential customer or unqualified if not. Step 2, Opportunity Management. Convert lead to opportunity. Once the lead is qualified, the sales representative converts the lead to an opportunity. The conversion process creates an account, contact, and opportunity record linked together. For example, opportunity record, opportunity name would be ABC Corp, product interest, account ABC Corp, contact Alan Flynn, stage qualification, close date, expected close date, opportunity stages. The sales process is divided into stages: qualification, need analysis, proposal, negotiation, closed won, or closed lost. The sales representative updates the opportunity stage as they progress through the sales cycle. Step 3, Account and Contact Management. Manage accounts. The account record stores information about the customer organization, including company details, industry, and key contacts. Example, account record, account name ABC Corp, industry, manufacturing, annual revenue is some amount. Manage contacts. The contact record stores information about individuals within the customer organization. Example, contact record, contact name, Alan Flynn, title, purchasing manager, email salesforce.network@gmail.com, phone is some random phone number. Step 4, Activity Management. Log activities. Sales representative log activities such as calls, meetings, and emails related to the opportunity. Example, activity record, subject, call with Alan Flynn, date, some date, description, discussed product features and pricing. Task and event management. Create task and event to schedule follow-ups and meetings with the customers. Example, task record, subject, follow-up call with Alan Flynn, due date is some date, status not started. Step 5. Quote and proposal management. Create quotes. Generate and send quotes to the customer based on the opportunity details. Example, quote record. Quote name is ABC Corp. Product quote. Opportunity ABC Corp. Product interest. Total amount is some amount. Send proposal. Send proposal to the customer outlining the term and conditions of the sale. Step 6. Closing the deal. Negotiate and close. The sales representative negotiates with the customer to finalize the deal. Update the opportunity stage to closed won or closed lost based on the outcome. Order creation. If the deal is won, create an order record to initiate the fulfillment process. Example, order record, order name ABC Corp, product order, account ABC Corp, opportunity ABC Corp, product interest, status draft. Step 7. Post sales management. Follow up. Schedule follow up activities to ensure customer satisfaction and identify upsell opportunities. Example, follow up task subject post sale follow up with Helen Flynn. Due date is some date, status started. Report and analyze. Use Salesforce reports and dashboard to track sales performance, pipeline health, and key metrics. Example metrics: total sale, win rate, average deal size. Benefits of using Sales Cloud: efficient lead management, automates lead capture, assignment, and qualification, ensuring no leads are missed. Streamlined sales process, standardize the sales process with defined stages, improving consistency and efficiency. Centralized customer information, maintain comprehensive records of accounts, contacts, and opportunities in one place. Activity tracking enables sales representative to log activities and schedule follow-ups, ensuring timely and effective communication with customers. Accurate forecasting provides tool for sales forecasting, helping managers predict sales performance and plan resources. Performance insights delivers insights into sales performance through reports and dashboards, enabling data driven decision making. Thank you.